Good morning, afternoon, evening, everyone. I'm Dr. James Smith, a sleep medicine specialist with over 20 years in neurology and wellness. But today, we're diving into something that impacts every stage of life, especially after 60, building and preserving muscle. Here's a startling fact. Even if you hit the gym 7 days a week and eat 100 grams of protein daily, you still won't build muscle effectively as you age without collagen. Health experts push protein and workouts as the holy grail, but that's not the full truth. Collagen is the #1 nutrient for muscle growth, supporting connective tissues that hold everything together. Yet, shocking as it is, most seniors overlook this. Even collagen supplements fall short without natural gelatin. And beef bone broth? One bowl gives far less than the 15 g daily you need. In this video, I'll reveal 2 liquid collagen sources with 8 times more than bone broth, starting with the second best for easy access. Plus, 3 foods to never combine with collagen to beat sarcopenia. Stick around. Your stronger tomorrow starts now. Let's start with why timing matters. Your body's circadian rhythms peak collagen absorption at night for muscle repair. But poor habits disrupt this, like Alex here.
I lift weights daily, eat protein shakes, but my arms feel weaker every month.
Enter our second best source, fish skin broth. 1 cup packs 12 to 15 g of collagen, nearly double bone broth. This marine type absorbs 1.5x faster, rebuilding muscle fibers and connective tissues. Bonus: omega-3s and selenium/inflammation for quicker recovery. A 2023 Japanese study? 120 seniors with sarcopenia drank it daily, gained 3.2 lbs muscle versus 0.8 lbs in controls. Ancient Chinese medicine used it for 2,000 years against muscle withering. To make, simmer salmon or cod skins 2 to 3 hours with ginger, salt. It gels when cool, pure collagen proof. Pair wisely: breakfast scrambled eggs, lunch veggie soup with chicken, dinner with grilled salmon. Collagen thrives with solid sleep hygiene. Dark, cool rooms enhance absorption during deep REM. Maria gets it right.
Grandkids keep me young, but after 60, stairs were tough. This broth changed everything.
Now, the absolute best source, chicken feet broth. 15-18 g collagen or cup, 70% of its protein. Types I and II rebuild fibers and joints, easing pain. Loaded with glucosamine, chondroitin, like pricey sups, for faster recovery. South Korean study. 85 seniors. 3x weekly. 28% leg strength gain. 45% less soreness. TCM prescribed it 3,000 years for bone strength. Prep. Simmer cleaned feet 4 to 6 hours with onions, herbs, thick and gelatinous. Combine with fish skin. Marine for quick repair. Land for lasting support. Complete amino profile. Recipes: egg custard breakfast, veggie soup lunch, pre-dinner mug for overnight magic. Myth busted. Collagen alone isn't enough. Certain foods neutralize it, forming poisons that accelerate breakdown. Tom learned the hard way.
I thought rice in a beer with broth was fine, until my strength faded.
Never pair. Number 1. White rice. Spikes interfere with absorption. Creates inflammation. Case: patient Margaret ditched it. Gained 2.1 lbs muscle in 3 weeks. Myth 2. Alcohol halts synthesis 37%. Blocks mTOR during sleep repair. Study: 150 seniors. Zero growth with booze. Toxins: aldehydes damage cells. Robert quit evenings. 23% grip boost. Avoid 24 hours on recovery days. Myth 3. Bacon. Nitrates. Plus. Sodium inflame. Block absorption. 30%. Harvard, 2020. Forms: nitrosamines. Degeneration risk. Dorothy swapped for herbs. 40% inflammation drop. Choose clean proteins. Great questions rolling in. Dr. Smith, how much broth daily? Aim 1-2 cups, rotated. What if I'm vegetarian? Try veggie gel agar with algae collagen. And which toxin have you paired unknowingly? Like Tom with bacon. Comment below. I read them all. These swaps aren't restrictions. They're freedom for stronger muscles. Recap: collagen trumps protein alone. Fish skin and chicken feet broth deliver 8x bone broth power. Dodge rice, alcohol, bacon for toxin-free gains. Implement today. Stronger muscles mean independence, vitality. Grab my 30-day muscle recovery meal plan. 50+ recipes, toxin-free, optimal timing. Link in description, pinned comment. Tomorrow. Massage 3 leg spots. 30 secs pre-bed. 34% activation. No exercise. Subscribers first. Hit subscribe now. Thanks for joining. Sleep well, build strong. See you soon.